Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the quarantine vlog. Today I'm going to go ahead and pull the starter off of the 300ZX. A good thing about social distancing, not only does it keep you safe, but it gets you more connected with your car, because I mean that's all you can really do. So let's go ahead and get this thing wrapped up here. My garage is super messy, just been out here working on it, so try to not judge me too much. Alright, let's go ahead and get underneath this car. Got a lot going on here. Got some lights already set up. I'm gonna go ahead and get this where I need it. Alright boys, so starting off, our starter is right here. I want to see how good this is on camera here. So there's a bolt. There is one bolt right here that we're gonna have to remove. Ooh, can you see that? Right there. And then there's another one right opposite to that, right up here. Try to show you that one. Right there. They're both a 9/16. At least that's what I'm gonna use to pull them off. I think that's what they are. But go get our ratchet with our extender. All the grime that it got on there. Maybe now it's loose enough to come down. There it is. Move this one. As you can see, it comes right off by itself as soon as you do that. Don't do what I did. I'll go ahead and disconnect a few things. Let's see what we need to do. Ooh! There it is, boys. The starter. Didn't come out how I should have, or how I should have gotten it to come out, but it's all good, well intact. There it is, like this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and disconnect these like that. Alright guys, that's what it looks like after. Here it is. So everything that you're taking off basically is you're going to take off you're going to take off this bolt. This one goes to the top part right here. And then you'll take off this nut. It goes to the bottom. There's already a bolt that's on the other side that it connects to. And then you'll connect, oh, everything's out of focus. And then there's another bolt right here that connects to the power wire. That connects right there. Alright guys, so that's all there is to go ahead and swap out that starter on your old 300ZX, or just even to get it tested. If you have any issues starting your car, you could drop the starter, take it down to your auto parts store and have it tested, and they'll tell you if it's good or not, whether you need to replace it or not. Pretty simple. And that's really all I have for you today. Just a real quick video. If you haven't, stay tuned. We're going to take this engine out of 300ZX. I said that in the last 3 videos. We're getting closer each video that comes out. But thanks for everyone who's still following. We're working on it, I promise. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Practice safe quarantine. Social distance yourself. Get out in your garage and work on it. Peace.